I really enjoy them come summertime when it's not freezing out. He's a little wobbly.
A little bit. So is Caleb a little
Caleb
bit.
gets too close to him. I keep telling him he can't get that close. After he pays attention to Caleb and not what he's doing. Zachary, watch where you're going and not your brother, okay? Kids are kind of quiet.
They are. They're a lot quieter than what I thought.
Oh, they're electric. Go, Zachary.
Mom.
Are you having fun?
Yeah, Mom.
It's pretty cool.
I was stopping so I can go faster, but I don't want to go too fast so I won't fall down there.
Okay, go ahead and go because we're only going to stand here for a few minutes and it's really cold out.
Hey, don't go too fast. Watch where you're going.
I've been dying to let you see him do it.
You're pretty right that that's how fast they go on their regular bike.
Yeah, that's what I said. The pedal's not that fast. Keep both hands on there while you're going. It's just something about it when you don't have to pedal. It's just different. I'm afraid it's going to tip over.
He's got to watch where he's going.